Hello students, welcome to the second video of science class 7 chapter 15 light. In the first video of this chapter we have discussed about the light and the reflection process of the light. In today's video we are going to understand about spherical mirrors. So let us start the video. So did you know what are the spherical mirrors? As the name suggests, the spherical mirrors have curved reflecting surfaces. So these are also called curved mirrors. These mirrors are made from a hollow sphere and there are two types of curved surfaces at each hemisphere. The inner curved surface is termed as concave while the outer is called convex. And the spherical mirrors are different from the plane mirrors due to their reflecting surfaces. Have you observed a spoon? The curved inner and the outer surface of a shining stainless steel spoon also act as spherical mirrors. If you observe your image into the inner and outer surface of the spoon at different distances, then you will find that the images formed are entirely different from those formed by a plane mirror. And students, now let us understand the types of spherical mirrors. So on the basis of reflecting surfaces of the mirrors, the spherical mirrors are divided into two categories. First is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. So let us understand about these mirrors in detail. First of all, let us understand what are the concave mirror. So, if the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is inside the sphere or concave, then it is called the concave mirror. You can see in the picture that if the reflecting surface is present inside the mirror, then it is called the concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface is present outside of the sphere, that is bulged or convex, then it is called the convex mirror. And students, as I have told you earlier, that the image that is formed by the spherical mirror is different from the plane mirrors. So now let us understand about the image formation by the spherical mirrors. First of all, let us know the features of image formed by a concave mirror. The image formed by a concave mirror, when the object is placed close to it, it is virtual, erect and magnified. And the image formed by a concave mirror, when the object is moved away from it, then it is real, inverted and magnified. And the image formed by a concave mirror, when the object is placed far away from it, is real, inverted and smaller than the object. And students, now let us understand the uses of concave mirror. A concave mirror is used to magnify objects. It has the following uses. The concave mirror is used by dentists and ENT specialists to focus a beam of light to see inside the patient's mouth or ear. And the concave mirror is used in solar furnace because rays of sunlight converge at a point once they reflect from the concave mirror. And the concave mirror is used as barber's mirror because it shows a large image when the object is too close to it. And students, now let us revise what we have learned today. So here are the question number 1. The reflecting surface of a concave mirror is dash the sphere, and your options are A, outside, B, inside, C, center and D, none of these. And the right option is B, inside. Question 2. The image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed close to it is dash, and your options are A, real, inverted and small, B, virtual, erect and magnified, C, virtual, erect and small and D, real, inverted and magnified. And the right answer is B, virtual, erect and magnified. Question 3. The concave mirror is used by dash And your options are A. Gynecologist, B. Orthopedics, C. Dentist, D. All of these. And the right answer is C. Dentist. Question number 4. The concave mirror is used as barber's mirror because it shows a large image when the object is dash. And your options are A. Too close to the mirror, B. Too far from the mirror, C. Moved away from the mirror, D. None of these. And the right answer is A. Too close to the mirror. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. See you soon in the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.